evidence of having 0 legs in humans and dogs. A little pre-flight yoga with Mama. I wouldn't say their faces look the same.
Good morning. Shut up.
He's like reusing is a way to protect the earth, Dad. Lazy Sunday morning vibes are always the same. What it's like when your personal yoga coach is your dog? It's really confused to find out who pioneered that crawl. Don't try to copy a lady, you just can't. When great minds think alike. You don't go looking for trouble. Trouble usually finds you. The TV show is way better when you have a co-watcher like him. Like father, like son. When your dog is your crazy best friend. Well, she got a right Uber driver. Adapting to humans' world is like. Well, bet he learned that shopping style from your mom. Don't you dare leave me, you're mine. Aw, dogs are not our whole life, but they make our lives whole. All for a summer hot body, there's no exception. Trying to steal a VIP seat be like. Have you ever done this to see your dog's reaction? No doubt, he's 10 out of 10. She's done been nap-trapped.
Inhale or up over your head.
His first day in the dance class. She's like, yay! My parents got married and I got to dance with Daddy. Positivity comes from simple things. It's time to switch, my friend. It's hateful to admit that he spoils him more than he spoils you. My dog when I watch other dogs on TikTok be like. My sister hates dogs. Also, my sister with my dog every night. Just showing Dad how to do his warm-up exercises. Motorcycle puppy, that little helmet and goggles are slay. She's lucky to have the best dog dad in the world. If nobody wants to play with you, find your dog. If we're friends, your stuff is mine too. They did it even better than the original. You've got a little tunnel, and the pup had the best time. Dogs are the owner's copycats just because they simply love them. Thanks for watching. Rocky's like, Mom, stop trying to act like me and let me sleep, please. This dog is a CEO of copying his owner's every move. It's the sign they have imprinted on you. If your dog yawns after you yawn, you have a strong emotional bond.
Ready? Yes! Gotcha!
Seems like this little guy's found his new pose. Encouraging your enemy be like, what's the best way to catch a squirrel? We've got to act like we're nuts. Drama is something very hard to ignore. He's as rise as rain, but limping is now a trend. Dogs really take interest in every human activities. First day of learning to brush teeth.